Hey there folks, in today's video I'm going to show you how to clean the coils on an RCA portable air conditioner to keep it running smooth and efficiently. So first thing you want to do is all these vents here, you want to take them out, wash them, or you can vacuum them while they're on there. So we're just going to do that before we start doing any cleaning. Alright, so now that you have everything mostly vacuumed off, we're going to take these screens and we're going to soak them in the sink and wash them because it's fairly sticky. The previous owner must have been a smoker because it's nicotine and it's fairly sticky, so we'll wash them before we reinstall them. So our next process is to take all your screws off. So there's some all along the back here, and then on each side you have one in the handle and one at the bottom. Goes the same for this side, so we're going to remove all those real quick. Alright, so now that we have those off, you can just grab under the handle that you usually carry it by, the handle on the side here. It just pulls off. Same thing on the other side. So you can also vacuum inside of this shell as well before you put it back together. So we'll do that, and then your coils. This is the one that's under your removable filter. You can get that on a daily basis or a weekly basis. And the other one is just down inside here. You can use a toothbrush or some kind of brush to brush it off and hold the vacuum at the same time. Alright, so once you've had it vacuumed off and it's to your liking, if you want to take it a step further, you can use a chemical such as this. It's a coil cleaner specifically designed for air conditioners. So I'll put a link in the description below. You don't have to get this brand, this is just the one I use. And then you dilute it, follow the instructions, and spray it on and clean it off. But this one's good enough, so we're just going to leave it as is, and we're just going to start putting it back together. Alright, so now we just grab our shell here, and then we put it back on the opposite of the way we took it off. Clicks into place nice and easy, and just start putting our screws back in. Alright folks, so the final step that we have is to wash up those removable filters that we took out, and then we'll install them back into the unit. Alright, so we dried off our filters. Just going to put them back into place. And just like that, you have a nice clean air conditioner. Hopefully you found this helpful, everybody, and as always, please like and subscribe.